Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. And this is tutorial 33. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an image a background. How you can make an image a background. This is also very important in website designing. Of course, you'll be dealing with images, and sometimes making image a background makes website beautiful and lovely. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that. So the first thing you do before you can make an image a background is to first and foremost place the image on the same folder where your index file is, your web page index file, where the file is. Let me show you mine. This is my index file, and these are images that I'm going to use. 3 images here. So make sure the image is in the same folder with your index file. Now, the next thing you will ensure is to get the name of the image and the file format. Images are always in file format. For example, you have the PNG, you have the JPG, you have the GIF, whichever one. You have to get it. And this is how you get the file format of the image. Bring your mouse over the image, and then there's a pop-up that tells you item type. For example, this is JPG file. This is JPG file. So the name of the image is logo and the file format is JPG. Now let's check this one out. As you can see, it's also JPG. The name of the image is photo and the file format is JPG. Please note this because this is what we're going to be using. Let's check this one out. The name of the image is YouTube and the file type format, the file format is PNG. PNG, YouTube. So we're going to combine these two names, youtube.png, photo.png, and logo.png. That is the name of this image that we're going to use to extract this image from here onto the web page. So let's move on. All right, now that we've known the criteria for bringing an image onto the web page, now let's go to the CSS section and impute the tag that we're going to use to bring the image onto the web page. So what you do on the CSS section, you now type body, parentheses, but in the parentheses write background dash image colon, then URL, and now you're going to write the name of the image and the format. For example, the first, let's use the first image, logo.png. That's what we're going to use now. Logo, let's see, .jpg, sorry, logo.jpg, logo.jpg, logo, sorry, you open up a bracket, not parenthesis, a bracket, open up a bracket, not a parenthesis. Then inside, the name of the image we're going to use here is logo, and the file format is jpg.jpg, and then you close the bracket, then semicolon, then you close the parenthesis. So now let's go over it again to see what we have imputed. We first write body, then parentheses open, then you type background dash image colon, then URL, and then after the URL you open up a bracket, not a parenthesis, a bracket. Then this is the name of the image we are using, logo. We are using this first image, logo, and the file format is JPG. The file format is JPG. Look at it here. The file format is JPG. So the name is logo and the file format is JPG. So in this bracket, not parentheses, you type in logo.jpg. Then you close the bracket, then semicolon, and then you close it with a parenthesis. Now let's save to see what we have done and refresh to see what we have done. As you can see, we now have our image as a background. Beautiful. We now have our image as the background. But what you will notice here is that the image repeats itself several times on the background. So how can we remove the repeat? In order to make the image not to repeat, this is what you do. Just type background dash repeat colon. Now write no dash repeat semicolon. Now let's save and refresh to see what we have done. Okay, the image, the repeat is gone. You have only one of the image on your web page now. Now what if you want your image in a particular direction? Maybe you want the image to go in the x-axis or the y-axis, the x coordinate or the y coordinate. You want your image to go in one direction. Now this is what you do. Let me show you. You want your image to go in one direction, just come here and say in place of no repeat, just write repeat dash x. Repeat dash x. Now let's save and refresh to see what we have done. The image repeats along the x-axis. Can you see that the image repeats along the x-axis? Now what if we want the image to occupy the y-axis? Just remove this x and replace it with y. Now let's save and refresh to see what we have done. The image occupy the y-axis. So this is how you can bring an image to your web page. Make an image a background on your web page. So that's all we have for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.